We're here in Kenya for the second time to continue to work with coaches and help them to become better at delivering a great pathway, we call it the player pathway, to the kids of Kenya, so that we have some champions that come out of these junior golf programs around Kenya.
And he's here to teach our coaches and to teach our children how to have fun playing golf and how to become better, so that one day we can have one of these children win the Kenya Open and represent us at the Olympics.
It's an amazing, I qualified to come to this boot camp through the Royal Nairobi Golf Club Safaricom Golf Tour, and I'm very happy to be here.
Mimi naonelea itanisaidia, yani nitatembea mbali.